So I purchased some knee pads here for the Ryker, which will be installed on each side of the bike. So we have to prep this up and get it cleaned up. Probably use some alcohol to clean this up really good before we stick this on, and we'll go from there. So the first thing you want to do is prep the area, make sure it's clean very well in order for the knee pads to stick onto the surface here. With some alcohol, and just rub it in there and see if you can clean it out thoroughly and remove all the dirt on the surface of this area here. As you can see from the back of the knee pads, there's a sticky part of this that you remove, and you can see also this portion right here has a hole where there's a little stub that sticks out where you insert this into, and make sure you line it up well along the edges of where this design is at, and then it should adhere to it. So we'll go ahead and get that ready to go. So let's get and put this back in the hole. Now just line it up along the edges. Once you have it on there, just hold on in place. And that's what it should look like once it's on there. It gives it a different appearance, gives it a better look. Also, this is made of rubber instead of this hard plastic. So now you can protect your bike and your knees at the same time. Pretty easy install, and you can do the same thing on the other side. There's one more piece that you got to do. And it comes along with this little sort of a nut type, but you insert this where that stub was at, and boy, you gotta have a very good finger to try to put it in there and slide it in through the stub. Unfortunately, I got this cup holder here in the way, but it's in there. And I shouldn't go anywhere at this point. Now for the left side, this one right here, it's blue, so that tells you it's for the left side here. On the right side it was white, so we'll do the same exact thing. We'll take this off. So I already prepped this area off with alcohol, cleaned it up as best as I can in order for this to stick on there. So we'll go ahead and take this off. Next. Now that I have the backing off, this is ready to go in. So we'll go ahead and just turn this upside down. Locate where the stub is at on this end. And it's right there. I'll go ahead and put that through the hole and have this ready to go. Get everything lined up. And just press against the surface of the bike and it should adhere. Last thing you want to do is put the insert nut here for the stub. This right here. And that should finish the job. Definitely does give it a better look, doesn't it? Very soft to touch. Better than this hard plastic on the exterior of the bike. Protects your knees at the same time from pounding on it, from bumps and all. Definitely worth it. I would suggest that if you guys have a Ryker, give it a look. See if there's something that you would like to add onto your bike. If you have any comments, feel free to leave them. And thanks for watching.